Are you gonna sprint right away?
You're good.
Yeah. Okay. Who else is going in the house? Nobody? Just me?
Gotcha.
Checking. You're going to house?
I got a longer barrel, so I'm good. I'll stay out.
I'll cover you from the corner.
Freaking 500 millimeter fucking barrel.
In the left? Alright. Change that tip.
Huh?
Sounds good.
Yeah, definitely. It's freaking. Gonna get that thermal waffle 150 round mid caps.
Yeah. Seems like it. Alright, which way is everybody going? I'll kind of bounce out that way. Who's saying ready? They are or we are? Ready! Someone said. You ain't get shot in the mouth. You guys ready? Fuck it, huh?
Yep.
Nope. Yellow team, are you ready? Ready? Count it down. 3, 2, 1! Hit! Free side or house side? In the house.
Hit! 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 I know.